Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the error for no boot manager was found. As you can see, I'm going to start up this Windows 10 machine and I'm going to go ahead and start it up. It's going to have this and it's going to tell you to press any key, do not. And as you can see, it will say you have failed. And look at this, it says no bootable option or device was found. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix that and how you can actually get this to work. So what you want to do is press any key. I'm going to press enter. Then go ahead and press the down arrow until reset here and then click on enter. Then as soon as the VirtualBox thing comes up, press F12. And then as you can see, it will start loading. It will turn on numlock, but that's okay. It will start loading. As you can see, and as you can see, it will get into the setup for Windows 10. As you can see right here, this is actually Windows 10. As you can see, it's the actual Windows 10 setup. As you can see, it's in a Windows 10 virtual machine. So that is actually how you fix that. This was a quick video. I know it was a quick video, but also it allows you to basically if that happens, if you enable EFI on a, let's say, virtual machine for Windows 10 or 11, and I'll say that all you have to do is follow this tutorial. It works on both 11 Windows 11 and 10, and then Windows 11 and 10 virtual machines. So now you can start the installation how you want it and how you ever will be needing it. As you can see, it is good as normal. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. I will see you all later. Goodbye. Goodbye.